Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change the About Me section on your Discord. If you find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, it's actually really simple, and you can do this either on the Discord application or using the web-based browser. It's all down to personal preference, but the steps are exactly the same. In today's example, I'll be using the application, so what I'm going to do is just go ahead and open up Discord. And you'll see I'm currently signed into my Digital Tutor profile down here. So to actually change your About Me section, what you want to do is click the gear icon down here where it says User Settings. And as I say, this is exactly the same if you're using the web-based browser as well. The steps are the same, it's all down to personal preference. And then from here, if you look at the menu on the left-hand side, you want to go ahead and click onto User Profile. And you can see this is going to bring up my profile info. So you've got my About Me section down here. I've just put, hey, what's going on? I'm your friendly local neighborhood digital tutor. Also, I like pizza. If you want to change that, all you literally need to do is just scroll down the page slightly. And you'll see down here, you can change it here. So what I'm going to do is just add a couple of exclamation marks at the end. And once you've changed it, you're going to get this pop up at the bottom of the page. And all you need to do is click the green Save Changes button. You can see that just takes a minute or two, and once that's gone, you'll see that has now updated. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.